what is margin and how it really works. So, you want to know what is margin, eh? You want to buy a stock and you heard this awesome thing called margin that you can buy your stock on. So you decided to try it. So you go to your broker and ask how much on margin is it required to hold your stock. And your broker gave you a number and you're all excited and ready to go. Stop. Not so fast. Let's understand what it is first. Margin is like a down payment that you buy a house with. For example, a stock value that you wish to buy something at is $100. In US, intraday margin will only cost you roughly about 25% or $25 in our case. The rest of the money the broker will loan to you, what is called a margin loan. Like any other loan, you will expect to pay interest on it. Easy, right? Buying something only with a fraction of the cost. What could possibly go wrong? Well, let's take a look at a couple scenarios. Scenario 1. Let's use in our same case that $100 worth of stock, and we'll only require you about $25 as a margin, and the rest your broker will lend to you. So, let's just say that you only have $25, and you went in and bought the stock on margin. Sounds easy? Let's take a look what happens if the value of the stock drops by just 20%, which $20 in our case. If that happens, the value of the stock dropped by 20%. Now your stock worth $80. And you, how much you have before is $25. And if that got dropped by $20, you're only left with $5. And now you no longer have enough money to meet the down payment to hold your stock. Thus, your broker goes, give me my money back or I'll sell your stock to pay for it. Let's try another scenario. Scenario 2. This time let's take a look at the stock. We're still doing the same thing, $100 worth of stock, and this time the stock didn't even move. You still have in your account $25 putting up as a collateral for your down payment. And your broker still loaning you the rest of the money, which is $75, to keep your position of the stock. Next, your broker one day decided, hey, you know what? This stock looked risky. So they decided to raise the down payment that's needed for the stock. With that move, you're no longer compliant with their margin requirement or their down payment requirement. So, once again, we're going to the same scenario that your broker goes, give me my money or sell your stock. Scenario 3. Here we go, it's the same case again, $100 worth of stock, you only have $25 in your account. This time, the stock did not move, and your broker is being grateful to you and did not require you to put up extra money for margin. Now, at the end of the day, your broker goes, hey, I'm still loaning you the $75, pay me my interest on it. Then when your interest hit your account, that money goes to your broker. And you're left with $24. And we're back to the same case again, that you have no longer meet your margin requirement. And your broker goes, give me my money or sell your stock. So what should you do? From a Wall Street veteran or any type of asset manager, they will always tell you this. Do not use margin unless you absolutely need it. With our case, let's take a look at this. If you have $100 and you buy $100 worth of stock, even though your broker asks for more or less margin, you will still keep your stock and able to implement your strategy. So that is margin. If you believe you learned something from this video, please like and subscribe. And if you have suggestions for future topics, please leave a comment below. Until next time, bye.